knowledge to the entire
Mhm.
for to the entire country. So it's like extension service, we call it. So that's what I do now.
Mhm.
And one of the focus of my research is on the aging of the population. So
Yes.
it's I've been collecting data on older persons in the Philippines, and we're helping government inform them about how to prepare for an aging society, because the Philippines, akala mo we're a young population, but very soon will be
Mm.
transitioning to an aging society. There will be a lot of older persons, and we have to take care of them. No, so we need research to be able to come up with
Mhm.
programs to help improve the well-being of older persons. So that is my contribution to society, and that's my
Yes.
research. And I'm also glad that personally I'm benefiting from my research, because
Yeah.
I'm also part of that
Yeah, we're getting older.
cohort of
Yeah.
older persons.